How to find an AFAM? Step 1. Una, pumunta ka sa dating app. Kasi maraming AFAM doon. Iba't ibang klase, 20 plus, 30 plus, at 40. Pwede ka doon mamili. Kapag manyak or may nanghihingi ng nudes, ay huwag mo nang patulan. Block mo agad. Entertain mo lang yung mga taong matino. Yung mga taong consistent sa pag-chat. But forget, don't invest too much. It's too early to assume and to fall in love. So, it takes a month or a year for you to clear that, oh, this person is good for me and this person is my type. Better to be vigilant than to be a careless person. Kasi, feelings at emotion mo yung ina-invest mo dyan. Sa paghanap mo ng AFAM, napunta ka sa manyak, napunta ka sa manipulator, at iba pang mga AFAM. Huwag na huwag mong kalimutan mag-pray. God, give me a person that I wanted. Give me the person that you think that matches my attitude and be my partner. And don't forget, if may AFAM ka ng kadate, huwag na huwag mong ipagsasabihan. Para walang makakaalam kapag nag-break or kayo man sa huli, ay goods pa rin. Don't forget to follow if you want an AFAM tips like this.